Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the correct tracker and preparing the car. This matters because power options determine placement and reliability. Once done, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts, then remove the interior panel near your planned mount. Make sure to identify a constant 12V source and an ignition-switched 12V using a multimeter. Secure the tracker temporarily with tape while you route wiring. That prevents drops and reveals optimal cable runs before permanent mounting. You now focus on reliable electrical connections and concealment so the tracker stays both powered and discreet. For hardwired units, splice into the correct fuse or wire, use solder or crimp connectors, and protect with heat shrink. This prevents corrosion and intermittent faults. If using OBD, plug firmly and orient so the connector won't snag. Route wiring behind kick panels or under carpeting, fasten with zip ties, and keep cables away from sharp metal edges or hot components to prevent future failures. You finish by reconnecting the battery and testing the unit immediately. Confirm GPS lock, live location updates, and geofence functions through the tracker's app. Once good, permanently mount the device out of sight with adhesive or screws, reassemble trim, and secure all cables. If it fails to report, first check fuse and voltage at the tracker, then verify SIM activation and data plan, and reposition the antenna for better sky view. If playback is delayed, reboot the tracker and rerun the live test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.